You searched how to buy shares of Karoon Energy Ltd, and this video will show the basic steps to do that. Karoon Energy Ltd is an Australian oil and gas explorer and producer listed on CBOE AUS under the ticker KAR.ASX. This is an educational tutorial, not financial advice. To buy KAR.ASX, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, which usually requires an ID document, and you will need to add funds before making a purchase. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker KAR.ASX to find the listing. Then select the result that shows Karoon Energy Ltd on CBOE AUS to ensure you have the correct share. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for KAR.ASX. Double-check the company name and exchange to confirm this is the stock you intend to buy. To place an order, click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at market open. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the transaction. Once your order fills, the new position will appear in your portfolio view. For convenience, there is a link to eToro in the description if you want to explore the platform further.